Do you own any kind of business, especially local service-based businesses? When it comes to the world that is understood only by entrepreneurs, the world of starting and growing a business of some kind, there is this secret world of business funding. And there are some extremely desirable solutions that are amazing and fascinating and not widely known. Today, I'm going to give you an inside view into this elite world that is a lot more accessible than a lot of people realize. Did you know that any business that reaches a certain point of a basic track record, like in certain industries, if a business is established, is doing regular business, and has even a little history and performance, that business may be able to get the most desirable and valuable funding option that once a business gets this type of funding, you can be sure your business has arrived and you will likely continue to be successful for the long term, outperforming many of your competitors. And you will see this happening in your community. You will see some businesses grow, expand, open additional locations, and some businesses are getting shut down and going out of business. There is a list of industries that are approved that includes all kinds of things like restaurants, bars, plumbing, auto repair, architects, motels, HVAC, legal services, nightclubs, breweries, coffee shops, engineering, medical services, nail salons. The type of financing that I'm talking about is known as the Elevate Bankroll revolving line of credit. Now, just think about it. For one thing, the ability to confidently always invest in ongoing marketing and advertising ensures that you have a functional process to get new business and maintain your existing customer base. That's what makes all the difference between the businesses that thrive and stay in business and the ones that eventually just die out. In highly competitive markets, effective marketing strategies are essential. Now, this is just a side point here, but I definitely see a lot of confusion and misinformation in the business world about what really works in marketing and advertising. And one thing to keep in mind is the source you hear things from. For instance, if the source that you're hearing information from is a marketing agency or a coaching program, they're trying to sell you something. And so, whatever they are emphasizing is being emphasized as being the best thing that's for you. So this is the best thing for you is what we sell. It's very powerful to do your own research in what works in marketing and getting customers and advertising. That's what causes business to survive. Now, the companies that are always able to easily do what actually works in marketing, those are the ones that are going to survive. What about when it comes to adding new equipment? Let's say that you are an excavator company and you have a truck, a trailer, a complete set of equipment needed for your company's work. What happens when you discover that you can benefit from adding some new equipment and adding a whole new crew that can work simultaneously on different projects in different locations? Your company's revenue can double or triple this year if you're able to add another crew and add more equipment. Well, if you have this type of financing, you can do that without draining your monthly capital and not being able to meet all of your expenses. What if you just need to pay for all of your supplies and your expenses, your insurance, your equipment, and making the payments to pay all of your employees every week or however often you pay your employees, and to always be able to do that without draining your monthly cash flow? If you have this type of revolving line of business credit, you can do all those things without running into cash flow problems. This type of funding product is the very thing that causes some businesses to thrive for the long term versus the ones that die out. If you own any kind of a business, especially businesses that are local service-based businesses like plumbing, HVAC, restaurants, construction, excavation, and you think that you would like to find out more about this type of funding, I would love to be the person who helps you to get this funding so that you not only are able to maintain your business for the coming year, you're able to thrive and rise above your competitors. If this sounds interesting to you, I would love to have a conversation with you sometime, and I'd love to find out what your vision is for what you'd like to do. Send me a DM and let's get together sometime and have a talk.